In the modern watermelon farming, the land used is very wide, ranging from hundreds to thousands of hectares. Production with modern technology will involve fewer workers, and more use of modern machines, to speed up the work process. In this video, Technologia will invite you to see the process of watermelon farming in America. In this vast watermelon field, company tractors are plowing the land, to loosen the soil. This plowing activity aims to make it easier for watermelon tree roots to enter the soil, and absorb the nutrients in it. Meanwhile, at the end of April, the workers on duty in the nursery spread watermelon seeds, and covered them with plastic. It aims to protect the seeds that germinate until they are 23 days old. This plastic is used to protect against flies, and various fungi, as well as other diseases. After the seedlings are 25 days old, this plastic will be removed and the planting process will begin immediately. After the plowing process is complete, the next process carried out by the tractor operators is to install plastic mulch. This plastic installation aims to protect the soil surface from erosion, maintain moisture and soil structure, and inhibit weed growth. At this stage of planting watermelon seeds, both the tractor operator and the nursery team will work together to modify the tractor. This modification will make it easier for workers to plant watermelon seeds in the previously prepared holes. In this process, the tractor will move very slowly, which will be assisted by 5 to 8 people who are in charge of planting watermelon trees. After the planting process, some farmers with medium land will take advantage of controlling the supply of water, as well as fertilizers, through irrigation channels between planting areas. This method will be very helpful to save labor, but is more wasteful in the use of water. On the other hand, for larger areas of land, a more modern irrigation system will usually be used, where the long pipes are supported by a wheeled structure, which can be moved automatically according to plant conditions. After the watermelon tree is 35 to 40 days after the growing season, the flowers begin to bloom. Then the farmer will invite the beekeeper to bring their bees to be placed around the field, so that it can help pollinate, and more watermelons will be produced from each flower that blooms. After 20 to 30 days after pollination, some watermelons can begin to be harvested. There are 2 methods of harvesting watermelons that are usually carried out. Both methods involve a team of workers who are tasked with selecting and picking the watermelons first, before the truck enters the watermelon plantation. 2 methods of harvesting watermelon. The first way is where in the watermelon harvesting process, the truck will bring it complete and the team, who will pack it directly into the truck. Thus, this harvester truck will be accompanied by a distributor truck. The packaging process in the truck, including sorting, labeling, and packing. While the second method is the harvesting process, which only includes picking activities, and also transporting the harvested produce to the packaging factory. This second method is more commonly used for agriculture that has a wider area of land. Because watermelons are harvested every day, there are too many to do directly in the field. So, the company will use large trucks. Once these harvest vehicles reach the factory, the workers will unload their watermelons onto the conveyors, where this conveyor will carry the watermelons to the cleaning area, where the workers will then welcome these watermelons through the process of sorting, labeling, and packing.